Two big names in all-in-one marketing, one showdown. Which platform truly has your back in 2025? On the left, the advanced AI-driven marketing powerhouse, GetResponse. And on the right, the simple and affordable all-in-one business tool, System.io. Let's skip the hype and dig into what actually matters for your business. We'll score each category head-to-head, so by the end, you'll know exactly which tool is right for you. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. So, before we get into the details, check this out, a quick mind map to lay out all the categories we're gonna compare today. We're talking price, feature set, ease of use, AI and automation, integrations and ecosystem, customer support and monetization tools. This way, you'll know exactly what to focus on before making your pick. Let's kick off with price because honestly, who doesn't check the price first? Here's the deal. GetResponse offers competitive pricing especially for the kind of advanced stuff it packs, and yeah, there are multiple plans you can scale with. And this is kind of a bummer, it's not exactly cheap and you won't find a forever free option. Now over to System.io and you know what, they pretty much blow the doors off with value. Free plan, yup, pretty generous too. If you want to upgrade, those paid tiers are totally budget-friendly. And here's the kicker, all the core features are included even on free. Seriously, that's wild, the downside. A few advanced tools are locked down unless you pay, but for most folks just starting out, the basics are more than enough. Winner for price, it's System.io hands down. Alright, features, what can these platforms actually do for you? So GetResponse is kinda next level here. You've got AI-powered course creation, super advanced email automation, and even built-in webinar hosting. Plus, a landing page and funnel builder, e-commerce and integrations up the wazoo. Like whatever third-party tool you use, GetResponse probably plays nice with it. Small catch, affiliate tools. Not included natively, which is a little annoying if that's your thing. Now, System.io takes the all-in-one concept seriously. Everything is under one roof: email, funnels, courses, memberships, even affiliate management. The community feature is neat and sales funnel tools are super clear. But automation is, let's just say, less advanced than GetResponse. No AI stuff, and if you need the tight marketing integrations, you've got to play with APIs yourself. So the winner in features, that's GetResponse with all its horsepower. Let's talk ease of use. GetResponse, love the modern dashboard, and if you're creating courses, the tool guides you pretty well. And I gotta be honest here, once you try to set up advanced automations, it suddenly feels like you need a degree in marketing tech. Now, System.io, this is literally built for folks who don't want to mess with complicated stuff. Drag and drop, everything's intuitive. And for non-techie users, it's miles ahead in terms of simplicity. That said, there's some manual setup if you're building out courses, and the template styles, well, basic, but hey, it gets the job done. Winner for ease of use, System.io takes it. Oh, by the way, here's something cool you might not know. System.io's free plan is actually one of the most generous freebies out there. If you're just starting your business or want to experiment, this could be a no-brainer option. Now, onto AI and automation, because it's 2025, who isn't obsessed with AI? So GetResponse brings the heat. AI-powered campaign and course creation that can really save you tons of time, especially for marketing nerds. You've got conditional flows and those fancy automation triggers. It's super flexible if that's your thing. The only hitch, initial setup can be kinda complex, so yeah, brace yourself. Switching over, System.io does basic automation. There's a rule engine so you can set up some workflows, but honestly, if you're expecting those shiny AI tools and complex triggers, nothing like that here. It's simple but not futuristic. Winner in AI and automation, GetResponse easy. Integrations and ecosystem, let's see who's more connected. GetResponse nails this, no question. You want deep integrations? Boom, Shopify, WooCommerce, Facebook, PayPal, Stripe, the list keeps going. Plus, API and Zapier support if you really want to customize. System.io, though, does have API access and basic payment processor integrations, but honestly, if you need more than just the basics, you might struggle. Fewer native integrations and connecting outside apps can get complicated fast, so for integrations, clear win for GetResponse. How about customer support? GetResponse? Solid game here. 24/7 support is available if you're on higher plans, plus their help center is packed with tutorials and guides. Live support is a little limited if you're not paying for those premium plans, just a heads up. System.io is no slouch though. Super fast email support, live chat, and there's a pretty vibrant online community that's actually helpful. Only limitation? Support hours aren't around the clock, so if you need help in the middle of the night, well, you might be on your own. But overall, both do a good job, so I'm calling this one a tie. Last up, monetization tools. If making money online is your goal, listen up. GetResponse gives you online courses, memberships, e-commerce, and premium newsletter options, plus loads of payment gateways. What they don't give you? Built-in affiliate management, which is kind of a letdown for some. Now, System.io covers more ground here. You get courses, memberships, affiliate marketing, digital stores, and even the community builder. Payment gateways? They're basic and the e-commerce features aren't super advanced, but for most creators it's enough. I mean, if you really need high-level e-commerce, GetResponse is a bit more powerful, but both can get you selling online. Honestly, I'm calling this a tie. So, let's visually sum it up. On our radar chart, you'll see GetResponse crushing it in things like features, automation, and integrations. System.io is owning price and usability. Look at that spike. Both are pretty neck and neck with customer support and monetization. Makes sense, right? Wrapping it up, here's the bottom line. GetResponse, it's best for businesses that really want the top-shelf marketing automation, deep analytics, and that futuristic AI edge. System.io. Perfect for small businesses, side hustlers, or solo creators who just want something simple and affordable without all the bells and whistles. Your pick depends on what stage your business is at and how techy you want to get. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.